Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create custom fields within your calendar widget in GoHighLevel. So let's get started. So here I have some examples. So for example, I have here this one. So after they selected a date and time, they will land on this form. So the usual or the default fields will be like this. So I don't want that. I will create my own and just add it here so that you'll know or kind of pre-qualify or get ready for your meeting better. So all you need to do is just go to your calendar and go high level. So here, go to calendar and then calendar settings. Look for the calendar you want to edit, schedule an appointment, edit. And here in forms and payment, you can actually select the form you want to use. So this is the default, which is this. So you can create your own calendar like this form and attach it to your calendar. So simply create the form here in Sites and then with the form builder. So as you can see, I selected the SMMA booking form there. So if I open that, this is where I can add more fields or delete fields in here. So that's how you can attach a form within your Go High Level Calendar. Also, I would say that you don't have to worry too much about the styling um, so that it will be seamless. So depends on your preference and your branding. So you can, what I mean is that whatever style you apply to this form, it will also appear in that form. So make sure that it's seamless. So like this, so if I choose a theme here, say for example, this one, proceed like that, and then save it. And if I go back to my calendar and refresh this, you see, if I select date and time, you can see that the form styling is also applied. So make sure you style it accordingly and according to your brand, I would say. So I hope this helps and you all have a great day. Bye bye.